Squeaky Clean Dave. I can't believe I finally met Squeaky Clean Dave.
Nice to meet you.
That's brilliant. And
I can't believe I finally met you.
There you go. People keep saying that, but I don't know what they're talking about.
No, not me.
I always wanted to see if Squeaky Clean Dave really is squeaky clean.
Well,
it's true.
I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and I'm here.
Sorry.
No,
Do it again.
I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and I'm at the Cleaning Expo 2019, and I'm here with Ashley from Mackintosh, who you might know off the YouTube.
AE Mackintosh Cleaning Services.
Sorry.
Very important.
Ashley, do you prefer Ash or Ashley?
Call me what you want.
Yeah.
Most people do.
Ash, how long have you been window cleaning?
I've been window cleaning for over 20 years. I started window cleaning part-time when I was at college.
Yeah.
And just been doing it ever since, basically. Started building up my own round.
Yeah.
The rest is history, I suppose.
Did you start by yourself, or did you work with somebody?
I used to work with other window cleaners that I knew.
Yeah.
And I'd work. One of the things that always stood out to me was that every window cleaner had their own different way of doing things.
Definitely.
So I picked up different tips from different people.
Yeah.
And that's kind of one of the things that sparked off the YouTube videos, just to share ideas and, you know, and see other people make suggestions of how they do things, and I'm putting out my suggestions of how I do things.
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully it works.
Yeah, definitely. Lately you got the nice new van. Are you pleased with it?
It's not too bad, is it? It's not too shabby.
Nice.
Yeah. So business has been growing. I've got more and more equipment, so need more room to fit it in the van, basically, don't I?
And you've gone over to water-fed pole more, because you were pretty much trad before.
I know. I'm a traitor.
Gone to the dark side.
So it's gone well, actually. I've been really pleased. One or two awkward customers, I suppose, but I'm not 100% water-fed pole. There's still some jobs I prefer to do traditional. But yeah, it's good and I love it.
How did your customers take that? How did you tell your customers and explain it to them that you were going over to water-fed pole?
So I was keen to maintain a good customer relationship. I did a little note to explain to people the transition. I wanted to keep that open communication with the customer, so if they had any issues, I could hopefully address those. And also to share my experiences on YouTube as well. So, I mean, 90% of customers have been really pleased for me. They trust me that I'm doing things in a good and thorough way, so that's been really good. And other people, it's taken a bit more explanation, but we've got there in the end.
Have you enjoyed the changeover? If you were talking to somebody that's trad, would you recommend it, or would you say stop with the trad?
I would recommend it, but I would also say it's been hard work. The first couple of cleans, getting a good rinse, washing away some of that dirt from awkward places, getting rid of all that soapy residue that's built up over years. It's been a lot of hard work, and you know when you get up on Monday morning and your arms are still aching from the week before.
I know.
So, but we're getting there now, 2 or 3 cleans in, and it's definitely quicker and easier now.
Have you got anything exciting coming up for the future?
Loads of exciting things. Oh, loads of exciting things. I've got new poles I'm trying. What else am I doing? There's tons of stuff. I'm trying out some new equipment from Spinner Clean as well. That's going to be coming up. I want to make more videos about my van as well, sharing my experiences of how I've got on filling my van, little modifications I've made to the van. So loads of stuff I want to do, really. I've got so many video ideas. I'm just having the time to get them out there.
If there was somebody thinking about taking up a YouTube channel, would you recommend it? Or
I would recommend it, because the YouTube channel doesn't have to be, you don't have to have ideas about becoming a massive YouTuber, but to show off your business, of how professionally you approach your work and your job, that's useful as a promotional tool for you as a business. I would definitely recommend it from that point of view. And I get people ringing me up, I've seen you clean a roof, can you come and give me a quote? That kind of stuff. So it does work from that point of view as well. Does
it take you long to make a video? Sort of from filming to editing, would you say that's a long process?
It's become very much a part of my work day routine, I suppose. If I'm doing something in particular that I want to capture the footage, I'll just whip the camera out and take a bit of footage, and then I've got a body of footage sometimes to work with. Other times there's something specific I want to get for a certain reason, so I'll do a video on that particular thing. But I'm getting more proficient with the editing as well all the time.
Very professional looking.
Practice, it comes with time,
What's the best business advice you've ever been given?
If I was to give a piece of business advice, I would say to keep going, don't give up, show the initiative. Because I think a customer appreciates a quality job done in a professional way.
Definitely.
And if you do that, you'll build a good customer base and a good reputation, I think, and that will stand you in good stead for a long time.
Important question now.
Yeah.
If you had to get rid of one of them, would you get rid of a full English breakfast or a roast dinner?
Oh, what are you doing to me?
Important questions.
Everyone knows the best way to start a day is a full English, so I'll keep that one.
What would you say the best thing about your job is?
I like being my own boss. I like being flexible. I like being able to call the shots, take things in the direction I want to take them in, that kind of thing.
What's your favourite piece of equipment?
Favourite piece of equipment?
Yeah.
Oh, now you're asking. The classic Unger Ergotech Squeaky with an S Plus channel. That's got to be one of my favourite. That has stood me in good stead for a long time, for years and years. So that's got to be one of the best.
So you haven't gone completely to the dark side then?
My roots are always going to be trad, aren't they?
If you had to be one of the Simpsons, which character would you be?
I'd run the pub. How about that? Yeah, how about that?
Right, you're at Glastonbury.
Yeah.
Day 3.
Yeah.
You drop your phone in the toilet.
Right.
Would you get it back?
Yeah, of course I would. And I clean myself off really thoroughly afterwards.
With your pure water?
Yeah, exactly.
If you could dispense one thing from your armpit, what would you dispense?
Dispense from my armpit?
Yeah, important questions.
Where are you getting these questions from? Pure water from my armpit.
Oh, perfect. And can you see the industry change in the next 10 years at all?
I think pure water's the way forward, isn't it? Yeah, and it's going more health and safety. It's becoming a big and bigger thing. So yeah, right down from small, right to big. But yeah.
So finally, if anybody hasn't seen your channel, which I'm sure most people have,
check it out.
What is it?
Mackintosh channel. Check it out.
Brilliant. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Dave.